morning. Welcome to this lesson on consonant sounds. Okay, now the consonant sound we're learning today, I want us to get the sound from examples of words having that sound. That's what we'll do. Okay, so let's begin with this word. How would you pronounce this word? Okay, listen to my own pronunciation. I would say young. From my pronunciation, what you notice was the first sound. Sound it to me. It's y, right? That's it. Y. And it's represented by this symbol. Like you want to write small letter J. But you need to be careful with that symbol. When you have this, it slashes. It's the symbol of the sound and it sounds Y. But whenever you have it like this, alone as a letter sound and not these slashes, then it's what? That's it. It's J. So please be careful of that sound. So now we know the first sound which we're learning today, which is, sound it again. Good. Okay. Oh, something just dropped on my mind. That word, I hope you didn't pronounce it as young or young. No, the g is not sound, it's just and OU is not O, it's young. That's it. Now let's move to the next sound we'll learn today. How about we pick this word? Let's use engine. Engine. From the word engine, what's the middle sound? That's the sound from this underlined letter. It's what? It's J. It's J. That's the sound. So that's J is the next sound we're learning today. So first one is what? Sound the first one. Y. And the second one, J. Let's do this experiment together. Quick experiment. Place your hand on your throat and sound the first one. Again. Y. Good. Sound the second one. Again. J. That's it. Now what do you notice? What do you observe from your hand on your vocal cord? You felt vibration, right? That's it. So that is to tell you that both sounds, type of consonant sounds that is called voiced sounds. Okay? Now let's move furthermore on how to transcribe words on both sounds. It's very simple. Like I do say, to transcribe a word, all you need to do is pronounce the word and listen to your pronunciation and not the way the word is spelled. Okay, let's speak yummy. I know you all like yummy stuff, like yummy food, or probably chocolates. Okay, let's use the word yummy. From the word yummy, let's pronounce it, let's transcribe it together. Sound the first sound from yummy. Yummy. The first sound is good. Second sound, ah, not all, ah, from that letter U. Third sound, good. And last sound, be careful, last sound is not another like ya, yum, no, it's yummy. Last sound is still, is sound of letter I. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Good. Alright, so that's how to transcribe that word, yummy. It's very simple, right? Good. Now let's move to the next sound and learn how to transcribe words on it. Well, let's just pick one word too, like junior. Oh, I like that word. That word is another word where we can have J, not just from letter G alone, but also from J. Junior. So what's the first sound from junior? Sound it. That's it. J. Okay? After that we have what? Oo. And. Good. And. Now watch some. The last sound is and junior. Junior. Just the way it's pronounced. Remember what I said about transcription. Junior. That's it. Okay? So now, what you will do for me in your home activity is that you list 10 words. 10 words from each sound. 10 words from Y and 10 words from J. After that, you transcribe all of the words without the use of a dictionary. So don't pick word that will be hard for you to spell. So just pick maybe by Slavic words, polysyllabic word. Pardon me. I mean on a Slavic word and by Slavic words. And if you know you're good enough, you can pick trisyllabic or polysyllabic. But I believe you understand what I'm saying. That means what's one syllable, two syllables, or three syllables, depend on your ability on transcription. But don't use, thank you, dictionary. That's it. And I'll see you all in the next lesson. Goodbye.